Hello and welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to print a document in Google Docs. So there are multiple ways of doing this. One way is Control P for Windows or Command P for Mac. You can also go into the top of this navigation bar here and click the little print icon. When you press that, or use the keyboard combination Control P or Command P, this window will pop up. Here you can select your destination, which for me will be the Brother printer. You can select the pages, the amount of copies, and different settings, which is for you to explore. Then all you have to do is just press on the blue button that says print. And now the document will print. Please be aware that wireless printers might take a little bit longer.